We have all heard of the Mumbai Dabbawalas, who have been delivering food for over 130 years now. And inspired by them are two mothers who have started Dabba Drop, an ethical and sustainable food delivery service in London. Meet neighbors and co-founders Renee Williams and Anshu Ahuja. When the duo noticed how frustrating healthy takeaway options were, they started re-questioning their choices, be it ready-made food or the packaging that they came in. To create a better sustainable alternative, Anshu started cooking her family's recipes in her kitchen. The two of them would pack the food in reusable metal tiffins and deliver them by bike, just like Mumbai's Dabbawalas. Suddenly, the order started snowballing. In 2019, they co-founded Dabba Drop, a plastic-free, waste-free, emissions-free and meat-free takeaway in London. Because they know the number of people who order in advance, very less or no food is wasted. Their meals consist of slow-cooked dal, a vegan curry, rice and a side. They've also replaced processed food with fresh veggies, bringing healthy food to the table. Everything is cooked from scratch on the day of delivery, which keeps the food fresh. Together, the duo have saved over 17,820 plastic containers so far. We are proud of you too. For more inspiration,